Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Learn channel. Today we are going to learn about comparing of bigger numbers. Okay, let's see here. First, the highest mountains. The highest mountains. Here, the heights of the bigger mountains in the world are given below. Okay, here one table given, and this table is about the height of mountains in the world. Let's see. Here first one, name of the mountain and height of the mountain and in which country the mountain is. Let's first one, Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga, what is the height of Kanchenjunga? 8586 meters. And in which country Kanchenjunga? It is India or Nepal, means in between there. Next, second mountain, K2. What is the height of K2 mountain? 8611 meters, and it is in Pakistan. Now next, Mount Everest. Mount Everest, what is the height of Mount Everest? 8848 meters, and what is the country? Nepal or Tibet. Next, Mahakal, 8485 meters, and it is also country Nepal or Tibet. Next, Lhotse, it is 8516 meters height. What is the height of Lhotse? 8516 meters, and it is in which country? Nepal country. Okay, this is the information about bigger mountains in the world. What are the heights of those mountains and in which country they are located? Here table given. Okay, now here one table given, we have to complete this table. Let's see here. Write the names of mountains in the order of their heights from highest to lowest. Okay, we have to complete this table by writing the names of mountain in which order? Depending on their heights, highest peak to lowest peak, means highest mountain to lowest mountain in heights in the order of their heights from highest to lowest. Let's see here. Okay, from this 5, which mountain has the highest peak, means which mountain has the greatest height? Here see, Kanchenjunga 8586 only, and K2 8611, Mount Everest 8848. So it is the highest peak. Let's write here. First one, Mount Everest. Mount Everest. What is the height of Mount Everest? 8848 meters. Now the second one, here Kanchenjunga 8586, K2 8611, Mahakal 8485, and Lhotse 8516. So from this one, which one is the highest one? 8611, means K2 mountain. Let's write here. K2. What is the height of K2? 8611. meters. Next, Mount Everest over, K2 over. From remaining mountains, which one is the highest one? Kanchenjunga is the next highest one, means 8586 meters there. So let's write here. Eight 586 meters. From remaining two, which one is the highest one? Mahakal there, Lhotse there. Mahakal 8485 meters and Lhotse 8516 meters. So from these two, which one is the highest one? Lhotse. Let's write here. What is the height of Lhotse? 8516 meters. Next, remaining one, Mahakal 8485 meters. 8485 meters. Okay, this is the table. In which order there? Highest peak to lowest peak. First one what there? Mount Everest. Second one K2. Third one Kanchenjunga. Fourth one Lhotse. Fifth one Mahakal. So these all are written in the descending order. Means highest peak to lowest peak. From this table, here one question given. Which is the highest mountain in the world? Is the height about 8000 meters or 9000 meters? Okay, let's see. From these all mountains, which one is the highest mountain? Obviously Mount Everest. Let's write here. Is the height about 8000 meters or 9000 meters? Tell me, 8848 meters means it is nearest to 8000 or 9000? Let's see here. 8000, 9000, middle 8500. So 8848 meters means where it comes? Before 8500, after 8500? It will come after 8500, means 8848 meters. So it is nearest to 9000. So what is our answer? Everest is nearest to 9000. So answer is about 9000 meters. ఓకే,
ఈ వీడియోను వీక్షించినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మా తదుపరి వీడియోలను వీక్షించడానికి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ అవర్ వీడియో. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్.